So if you make 200K a year and you still feel behind, something is off, and it's not your income, it's your system. Now I have friends and clients that make $200,000 a year, nice homes, great cars, private schools, club sports, summer vacations, boats, and quietly they're still stressed, they're tired, and they're wondering, how much longer can I keep up with this? Now you might be thinking, I work too hard to feel like this, Jamil. I should have way more money saved by now. Why does money come in and then disappear? How am I making so much and I still don't feel like I'm ahead? Now, if that's the way you're feeling, you're not crazy and you're not irresponsible. You just don't have clear order for your money, and that's fixable. So today I'm going to show you the exact shift that turns high income into real momentum. Not hype, not crypto plays, not get rich quick garbage. A simple order, and if you follow it, you will stop feeling behind. Now, if you're new here, my name is Jamil. I left a 6-figure job, built a business from scratch that's done 8 figures in revenue. My income started doubling, 100,000 a year, 200,000 a year, 400, 800,000 a year. And I distinctly remember being around $200,000 a year thinking, what the hell is going on? I'm making great money. Why do I still feel behind? Now that question changed everything, because once I figured it out, that turned into 7-figure portfolios across businesses and real estate and the stock market. But more importantly, I've helped thousands of high income earners get clarity and breathe again. Now here's what's really happening. Your money flows like this: income, bills, lifestyle, debt, maybe invest. That order is the problem, because by the time you get to maybe invest, there's actually nothing left. And when you don't know where your money is going, every month feels heavy. And that's not an income problem, my friend. That's a clarity problem. So let's fix it. First, get brutally clear. I mean, what does not feeling behind actually look like? Not vague, not less stress. I'm talking specific, a number, a deadline. A good example is I will clear off $100,000 of debt by July of next year. Now that's clear. Then you have to know your numbers. Most high earners know their fixed costs. They know their mortgage, their car payment, their insurance, but what they don't know is actually what's killing them, and that's the variable spending. Eating out, travel, subscriptions, random swipes on a card, the extras for the kids. Fixed costs are predictable. Variable costs kill freedom. So here are 3 tools you can use immediately that's going to change all of that for you. So tool number 1, download 90 days of bank and credit card statements. Very easy, very simple, very quick. Tool number 2 is download an app on your smartphone, whether that's Monarch or YNAB or just a basic spreadsheet. Tool number 3, have a 20-minute weekly money check-in. That's it. Truth of the matter is, you cannot fix what you refuse to look at. Yes, I know you're busy. Yes, you have responsibilities, but something has to change. High income doesn't fix chaos, but clarity does. Okay, now that that's out of the way, let's go to step 2. And step 2 is to simply kill your consumer debt. Now, let's take your power back. Let's clear off the credit cards, the car loans, the personal loans, not so much your mortgage right now. And you might be asking why. It's because debt shrinks your spread. Spread equals income minus spending. No spread, no power. No power, no freedom. If you make $20,000 a month but spend $19,000, you're trapped. So here's how we're gonna fix it. Use the snowball method, smallest debt first for momentum, or the avalanche method, highest interest first for math. Temporarily redirect your investing money towards debt. Sell one unnecessary asset if you need to, but get focused. Debt is literally stealing your future compounding, and compounding is how you win. Step 3 is flip the flow. Now we flip the order. New flow. Income to savings to investing to paying bills to lifestyle. Not the other way around. A really simple rule that you can start to follow right now is the 10-10-10-70 rule. If you're still in debt, it's going to flow like this. 10% of your income goes to savings, 20% goes towards debt, 70% towards lifestyle. Now, once the debt is gone, the flow simply goes to 10% into savings, 10% to investing, 10% to giving, 70% to lifestyle. First goal, 3 months of expenses in a high yield savings account, then your 401k or some sort of deferred compensation plan. We can look at brokerage accounts where you're going to hold your index funds or ETFs, real estate, lending. Now this is where compounding really starts to work for you. Your first $100,000 invested, even at 10% returns, that's $10,000 a year that you didn't have to work for. And the best type of money to make is money that you did nothing for. Once you get to $500,000 invested, that's $50,000 a year. And what about $1 million? That's $100,000 a year. That's when money starts working harder than you. And that changes how you feel. So if you make $200,000 and feel behind, it's not because you don't earn enough. It's because your money has no order. Get clear, kill debt, build speed, flip the flow. High income without a system creates stress. High income with the system creates freedom. And if you want to take your finances and your investing to the next level, watch this next video. And if you haven't yet, click that little subscribe button and join the channel family here. Let me know what questions you have that I can answer in future videos in the comments. And until next time, stay with me. No lazy money.